Hello everyone, welcome to the Youth Center's channel. Today I'll discuss the TikTok filter that ages you up. But before I dive into that topic, let me use this opportunity to wish you a happy new month. As we begin this new month, I pray that all your wishes comes true. Follow this short video to know how to use the TikTok filter that ages you to record videos and create content through the social network. Have you ever wondered what you will look like when you get old and reach your grandfather's or grandmother's age? Wondering what you look like when you are gray and retired? TikTok's filter, with the help of AI artificial intelligence, can show you. You can record videos on TikTok with the filter called Older Filter to see how you will look like when you are old. It makes it possible to compare your present look with your aged face by dividing the screen into two sections. This is how to use the filter. Tap the magnifying glass icon. You can do this by simply logging into your TikTok account, and in the home page, look for the magnifying glass icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. Next, find the older filter. In the search field, write older filter, which is the name of the TikTok filter that ages. Choose the first option by tapping on the video icon. That is, just start recording your video normally. Now you know how to use TikTok's older filter to record videos on the social network. Kindly comment, like, share the video and turn on the bell notification icon to receive more updates from the Youth Center. Thank you.